So I was having this very yummy lunch at work, and I figured I would show you how it all started. So I start with some of these basic ingredients when I cook chicken, when I roast my chicken. Poultry seasoning, garlic and onion powder, smoked paprika, and this time I'm using umami seasoning. I love that seasoning. I coated the pan with a little bit of olive oil, a roasting pan, and then I cut up, cubed a bunch of vegetables. I have potatoes in here. I have celery. I used whole baby carrots this time, a whole pound bag. I had some jalapenos in my fridge that I wanted to use up, so I sliced those up and put those in there too, and some mushrooms and onions and minced garlic. I sprinkled my seasonings on, and then I stirred to coat the vegetables somewhat evenly. If y'all follow any of my other cooking videos, you know I love Aldi. I always buy a family pack, and then I just meal prep what I don't eat. I rinsed the chicken thighs, cut off the excess skin, and sprinkled it evenly with my seasonings. I reserved some of my jalapeno slices and put at least one on each piece of chicken. Oops, I almost forgot to tell y'all, before you get started cutting your vegetables, go ahead and preheat your oven somewhere between 400 to 425. I put it in the oven anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour and 15 minutes until it is done and brown to my liking. Here's how the chicken turned out, and here are the vegetables that were underneath. I always scrape the drippings from the pan and pour them into a jar, especially after I cook chicken thighs. Add a little water and save it for later to make rice or another dish that I would use chicken broth for. I find it best to label it right away and freeze it once it cools down somewhat. For lunch, I'm having it with rice and some kale and cabbage that I cooked as well. It's really good, but I still felt like it was missing something. Oh yeah, that's right, tahini. Yes, now that's better. Like and subscribe.